Hey everyone, my name is Roshan and I'm excited to be here to talk about my project called OptiPower. So, to give you an overview, OptiPower is a smart grid system that solves the hurdles faced by our traditional electrical power grid systems. So, here I'm going to discuss the main idea of my project, the problem that it solves, how this project works, challenges that we will face while implementing the project, and finally our team which is going to make it all possible. Starting with problems that we face in our traditional grid systems, we all know that consumption of electricity is increasing exponentially due to our technological advancements. As we need to power the infrastructure, we require more electricity. Our traditional grid systems have been standing fine for the ever-growing demand for more and more power. It falls below the optimal efficiency levels. Hence, fails to provide us a stable supply for the future developments. Also, most of our electricity demands are heavily dependent upon the burning of fossil fuels. This is an alarming situation for the whole world as the fossil fuels can run out in decades according to the scientists. We all know that this is not a community problem that can be solved by running campaigns, but it is a global issue that cries for a change in the infrastructure that can withstand the increasing need of more and more electrical power as it fuels the technologies and computing power that the whole world is thriving for. If we look at the data, we can see that traditional electrical grid fails to transmit and distribute energy at an optimal rate as it loses 6% of energy during the process, which is a huge wastage of energy and the corresponding resources. Outages are becoming more and more common due to the increased demand of electricity. Even the small power outages can have a serious impact upon the economic and social factors of a country. These power outages are hard to keep a check upon, and it is even harder to fix these power outages if there is some natural disaster or some disruptions. So, why should we use OptiPower and what problem does it fixes? We can start with the improved energy efficiency. The smart grid system utilizes IoT sensors and AI algorithms to optimize the distribution and management of electricity, resulting in improved energy efficiency and reduced energy waste. It can also help us to reduce power outages as it makes real-time adjustments to the grid in response to disruptions, improving reliability and reducing power outages. It improves grid management by providing utilities with real-time data on energy usage and grid performance, allowing for more effective management and planning. These were the core features that OptiPower can provide to a better grid management. OptiPower works upon the following three principles, which includes the current technology, AI, and efficiency. So, how OptiWork actually works? First, it collects heat maps and data from the existing power grid and it uses this data to further improve the grid systems. Then it generates patterns to find the optimal decisions to be made to deliver the power. By using the implemented AI model, it delivers the power efficiently. It also responds to power disruptions and it manages to transmit the power supply accordingly. While managing the grid system, it also makes real time adjustments to the grid. With such a huge project as OptiPower, we will face a lot of challenges such as the cost. Implementing the smart grid system may require significant investment in infrastructure, equipment, and technology. Utilities may face challenges in securing funding and justifying the cost to regulators and customers. The grid system involves multiple technologies and systems that must be able to work together seamlessly, ensuring it can be challenging, particularly when integrating legacy systems with newer technologies. The grid system relies on a network of sensors and devices connected to the internet, which can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Ensuring the security of the system is critical to protect both the grid and the consumer data. So this is our team. We are called Byte Tribe. I am Roshan, the team lead, and we have Tushar as our team member. You can contact us for feedbacks or suggestion from here. So that's all. Thank you for giving us your time and attention.